So guys, I discovered this AI tool that's going to help you from text to video, immediately from text to video, and then it actually have from image to video, and all the results are super good. And guess what? This AI tool is super free, and you can actually download these videos without watermark. Shocker, right? Yes. So watch these videos and see. You'll be creating videos like this. I generated this
My
video.
prince, thank you for this wedding. I love it. See, everyone is
And then
very
I generated
happy. We
this
love
one
you so much.
and I actually downloaded this video without the watermark on top, which makes it super good, and it's free for now. Like, if they tell you there's one new AI tool that is booming, please rush and use it while it is free, because all these AI tools, before it gets to 3 months, 4 months, they're already putting their subscription on, and you can no longer use it for free, or you will be having watermark in these videos. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI tools. So today I am teaching you how to work with this AI tool. Go grab it now. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment the next AI tool you want me to teach you, and I will do that. Let's go into the tutorial. Let me teach you how to work with this AI. Okay, when you come here, first thing first, you come to your browser and you type Nim.ai. For people always say I don't show the name of the app. This is it, Nim.ai, and that's how it looks like. Before you tell me I did not show, that's how it looks like. The first one in pink, you see it there, name videos. You click on top, okay? When you click, it brings you here. Now this is the interface, how you have it. They'll tell you to start for free, okay? You click here, try for free. Once you click on try for free, you wait, okay? So here you can already see different ones. I'll use my email to get into this one. They'll ask you to put in your email. You put in your email, and so here they're saying, when you get here, you've seen what people have created. Here they say pick 1 to 3 topics, okay? So you can pick film, you can pick art, you can pick history, you can pick holidays, marketing, adult content. You have different ones, the one you want to pick, okay? So you all know what you want. I'll pick films, I'll pick marketing, and I'll pick for children, because yeah, I used to like animes. So let's pick this one, and then we continue. Now you are here, okay? This is here. They say text to video, okay? Text to video. Now they're asking you to put a prompt and then get a text to video, right? So what we'll do is I'll go back to ChatGPT, because we'll come back here. I'll go to ChatGPT and go and get us a prompt, because that's how we get our prompt, right? So let's get a prompt from ChatGPT, okay? So I'll come back here on ChatGPT and click to get my prompt. So this is the face of ChatGPT. I believe everybody knows ChatGPT and how the interface looks like. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. Here I'll just drop a message. I'll drop a text that I want ChatGPT to give me, okay? So give me a prompt of a Nigerian princess getting married to a Nigerian prince, okay? To a Nigerian prince. All dressed in the Igbo, traditional this one is traditional wear. Okay. All dressed in Igbo traditional wear. Okay. Make prompt in a village square. Okay. Let's wait for ChatGPT to give us the prompt, and let's see how this AI is going to deal with this, okay? So the village square is filled with Joyful village. Okay. Now this prompt is long. Let's see if these people can actually take all this or not. Let's go back to the browser. Guys, this app is on the browser. It's not an app. It's from the browser, okay? So I'll click here where it says prompt. I don't think they have limited number of words you can put. So I'll click here. And then I go to aspect ratio. You can see here your aspect ratio. So the 16.9 is actually aspect ratio for YouTube. The 9.16 is the aspect ratio for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And then the 1.1 is just like a photo, something you can put on your, how they call it, on your status. And you can still use it on Instagram as well. Okay, so there you go. Now model, you come here where they say model, you click on model. I choose 16.9 guys because it's a YouTube on. Now where you click on model, you can see here clean standard. You have different AIs, Julio, different ones that they're giving you here. So they're actually giving you, this is actually, they have pro AI tools, okay? But let's choose the clean standard, okay? When we choose the clean standard, we come down here and generate. They have the 4 minute project. Okay, there are no output yet. So let's see what this, we'll click on generate and we see what they give us before I teach you all the next step. But please, while you're still watching, or while if you're watching till this time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smash the notification bell. Each time I post a video, you get to be notified. I post videos every day about AI and visual editing. So let's click on generating. Let's click on generate. So we click on generate and then we wait, okay? So that is the query. They said inquiry, which means create an image of Nigerian princess, this. Yeah. So we are actually, the generation is actually in query and we are waiting for it to set up. So like you say, they've seen, like you've seen there, they're saying first project. So we are waiting for our first project to, generate. And there you have rewrite. You can also rewrite. If it's something you don't like, you can rewrite, okay? So let's wait. When this is done, you see it will appear here on new project. So I just clicked on the project and all that. So we wait. It's gone 1%. It's gone 1%. 4% gone. So you can see it down here. You can see it down here that is going. This is it here. 8% going. It might take a little time, but yeah, we'll get to it. So after this, I'll show you all how you can actually do the video. If you don't like the result, this is AI, okay? I usually teach people how to generate image to video, not text to video, because I prefer image to video, meaning you generate your image and have your image right before you go turning that image into a video, which means you're already sure of the kind of video you get. But this one is giving us, for now, they're giving us the option of text to video, right? But when we are done with the text to video, we'll go to the option of image to video. You understand? Yeah. So let's wait. Why this generate? Let's wait. And please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you. So if you've seen one AI tool somewhere that somebody is teaching and it's complicated to understand, just comment the AI tool in my comment section and I'll simplify it for you ASAP. You all know me, right? I reply my comments and I reply my comments with videos as well. So while we wait for this to generate, I will just pause and come back for it to finish generating so we don't waste your time. Okay, all right. So now with the prompt we dropped, this is what they actually gave us, okay? This is what we have. It was a princess, yes, and the video, a princess and a prince, yes. But these people are actually dressed in, no, not like they're dressed. They're looking more of the Indian community, not the Nigerian community. You understand? Yeah, they're looking more of the Indian community, not the Nigerian community. So I feel like if If you want to use it, you can use it for cartoon characters or some other things. Yeah. But for African folk tales, you should get your picture first, then you animate the picture into a video here. So this is my honest review about this app. It's good for video. Let's click up there. Here is text. It's actually text to image. All tools. If we click on all tools, you have text to image. You have text to image to video. So let's try the image to video section. Okay, so this is the section of text to image to video. Let's check out the image to video as well. So I'll click on upload, and I'll take one of the images that I generated. I'll click on done. Then you come here and I'll add in the prompt. Okay, so I'll add in a prompt and standard. That's it. I have the standard already. Sorry, AI, the AI that I want to choose. That's the model that I want to choose. And here I'll just click on enhance prompt if you want to enhance your prompt, but I don't want to enhance my prompt, so I'll just click on generate. I'll click on generate and wait for it to generate. So it's in query. Like you can see down here, it shows it's in query, right? This is the first one we generated, and this is the second one we are generating now. So it's in query. We wait for the query to finish, and let's see what they gave us. Okay, let's see what they gave us. So, but yeah, I feel like it is good. This is actually the first prompt I put, and I wanted to get the Nigerian wedding, but they gave me this one looking like Indian. And now I actually generated the image. I went to take that same prompt and I generated my image, and now I have the Nigerian princess and the Nigerian prince getting married, but I want to generate the picture into a video. So let's see how good this app actually is. Okay. All right, guys, so you can see this image now. This one is video to image, image to video, sorry, image to video. And you see how good this one looks. Reason why I always advise everybody, please, if you want to do a video, you want to make your video, or you want to be posting videos, make sure you generate your images first, then you go generate these images into videos. Because if you go directly from text to video, it's not going to give you what you want. It's only going to give you what the app gives you, right? Which means you cannot even get consistent characters. But here, if you actually do your images, then you go to put these images into videos, it makes more sense. Okay, it makes more sense. And here you can see they say restyle. If you want to restyle it, you can click on restyle. You can upscale it if you want. Okay, describe, add sound if you want to add sound, edit clip if you want to edit clip, more tools. You can actually click on more tools, and then they'll show you other things. So here you have way to copy your prompt again and reuse it, or you download this. Okay, and down here you can see more tools. In more tools you have different things, like different things that you can actually use. And I just love this. I love this app because the app is actually very good, and it's easier for anybody to use it. It's very easy for anybody to use. So if you go to add sound, they'll take you to add sound, where you can actually now add sound into your videos, which means here you need to input your sound and add. This AI is very broad, so I'll teach it step by step. Okay, I think the next video I'll do is how to add sounds. The next video I'll do is how to do the lip sync and all that. I'll do that. So yeah, for now, let's not make this video long. Let's end it here.